Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So pada hari ini saya akan terangkan soalan 16. Okay, so soalan dia cakap, a factory producing pesticide use a logic system to ensure the volume of pesticide in a plastic bottle is within acceptable range. Okay, so figure 8.1 ni shows the arrangement of the logic system fixed beside a conveyor belt carrying bottles of pesticide. The radioactive detectors S1 and S2 detect the levels of radiation passing through the bottles. Okay, so ni dia bagi ayat. Detector S1 and S2 will give input 0, so keyword dia input 0 to logic gate system when they receive a low level of radiation. Another keyword. So bila dia kata bila input 0 maksudnya low level of radiation. So statement kedua ni, detector S1 and S2 will give input 1 to logic gate system when they receive a high level of radiation. Maksudnya bila input dia 1, high level of radiation. Okay, so kita dah highlightkan keyword sini. So soalan A, dia tanya, state the level of the pesticide in the bottle if the input S1 is 0. Give reason for your answer. Okay. So bila dia kata bila input S1 is 0, kita tengok sini. Bila 0, input dia 0, maksudnya low level of radiation. So berpegang pada konsep ni, bila low radiation maksudnya high liquid level. Okay, macam ni lah. Kita tahu yang thick paper equal to low radiation kan. Okay, thick paper low radiation, dia sama macam presence of liquid. Presence of liquid also equal to low radiation. Okay, berpegang kepada konsep ini, kalau S1 input dia 0, maksudnya liquid tu above acceptable range, dia dah lebih. Okay, so jawapan saya kat sini, level of pesticide higher than the detector. Reason, low radiation detected by detector because radiation is blocked by pesticide. Okay, so next B. B ni vice versa je soalan A. Sebab apa? Sebab dia tanya state the level of the pesticide in the bottle if the input S1 is 1. Ni dia tanya input S1 is 0, and ni dia tanya input S1 is 1. So kita jawab terbalik je kan. Kalau ni level dia high, ni level dia low. Kalau ni low radiation, ni high radiation. So jawapan saya, level of pesticide is lower than detector. Reason dia, high radiation detected by detector because pesticide does not block the radiation. Okay, so first page done. Okay, so sekarang ni kita continue page 68. Okay, figure 8.2 shows two combination of logic gates P and Q that are suggested to develop the logic gate system. So kita tengok ni P ni Q. So dia P ni combination of not gate dan AND gate. Q ni combination of not gate dan OR gate. So C dia tanya name the logic gate M. Okay, ni M tunjuk ni. So ni ialah OR gate. D pula, complete the truth table for P and Q. So untuk P dia dah bagi input 0, 1, 1 dan input S2 0, 0, 1. So macam ni kita nak buat. Okay, ni P dia dah bagi input dia 0, 1, 1 dengan 0, 0, 1. So ni dia terus je kat sini. Dan ni ada NOT gate kan. So kena inverse kan dia. Bila 0, 0, 1 inverse jadi 1, 1, 0. So bila dia jumpa kat sini ada AND gate. AND gate kena darab. So 0 darab 1 0. 1 darab 1 1. 1 darab 0 0. So output dia 0, 1, 0. So kita tulislah output dia 0, 1, 0. Okay, so next Q. Q pun dia dah bagi juga input S1 dia 0, 1, 1 dengan 0, 0, 1. Okay, so yang input S2 ni dia jumpa NOT gate. So kita kena inverse, dia jadi 1, 1, 0. Lepas tu dua-dua ni jumpa OR gate. OR gate kena tambah. So 0 tambah 1 1. 1 tambah 1 1. 1 tambah 0 1. So output dia 1, 1, 1. So kita tulislah output dia 1, 1, 1. Okay, done. Lepas tu E pula. When the output of logic gate system is 1, it indicates the volume of pesticide in the bottle is within the acceptable range. When the output of logic gate system is 0, it indicates the volume of pesticide in the bottle is outside the acceptable range. So keyword dia, bila output dia 1, dia within acceptable range. Maksudnya ini yang kita nak kan. Kalau output dia 0, dia dah outside acceptable range. So kita tak nak. Maksudnya 1 tu bagus lah, sebab dia within the range. So one woman dia tanya, based on the output of the truth table in D, which combination of logic gates is suitable to be used for the logic gate system? So saya pilih combination of logic gate Q yang output dia 1, 1, 1 tu. So dia tanya, give 2 reasons for your choice. So first reason, because the truth table of Q shows most of the output is 1. Sebab kan kat atas tu dia kata kalau output 1 maksudnya it indicates volume of pesticide in the bottle tu is within the acceptable range. So sebab tu lah kan. So the second tu adalah second reason, because Q indicates that volume of pesticide in the bottle is within the acceptable range. So that's all from me. Thank you.